Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making salmon and shrimp Alfredo. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Make sure you go check out my last video. We made strawberry white chocolate chip cookies. So make sure you go give that a thumbs up. And let's get to it. So you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. I got my salmon here. So what I'm gonna do is skin it. Yeah, cause this one has the skin on. So I'm gonna skin it and cut it up, and I'll be back. If you see a light change, it's because I broke my LED light that I used to record. But I de-skinned it, rinsed it off, everything. Now I'm gonna get my seasoning mix. This is my personal seasoning mix that I have made. So I'm gonna come out with some real soon. But it's just basically your regular seasonings. But I'm not gonna tell you because it's a secret. So shh. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna put some of this. On 400 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Out the oven. I got 2 pots here. One with water for the pasta. And I got a pan that is now hot. So I'm going to spray it with some cooking spray, olive oil. And then I'm going to put my shrimp. Put my shrimp in here. I will come back when my water is boiling and my shrimp is almost done. Hey guys, so I finished the shrimp. I finished the shrimp. Drained the pasta and the fish. I'm not making my own sauce. I'm not making my own sauce. So this is the sauce I'm gonna use. I don't know if I forget, but yeah, this is the sauce. So this what it looks like. Oh my, hold on, let me see. This is what it looks like. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you on the next video.